should follow, right? We all have friends that want you to do what they say and do and all that, whether it's good or bad. Okay? So I have some volunteers here. He's got little names. Okay, why don't you read what you
Follow me, and I will give you happiness. All it takes is $1.
I've got $1 here, but that sounds great. Let me be happy. Wouldn't you like to be happy? Who wouldn't want to be happy? I want to be happy, yeah. But maybe I should follow this person. I'm just not sure. I really not.
Do you think, boys and girls, do you think Tim should follow him?
If I follow him, I can be happy for $1.
Don't do
right?
it.
No?
No, don't do it.
Okay, I'm not sure. Let me see what the next person's offering.
Follow me, and I will give you riches. All it takes is just $1 to get started.
Whoa.
So you got a bag of money there, Natalie?
I'd like to be rich. Wouldn't you guys like to be rich?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Maybe I should follow this person, but I can be rich.
I would.
But
No, I wouldn't.
should I give him $1?
What are y'all saying? Should we give Natalie the $1?
Well,
No.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna guess what people are. I'm gonna see what they have to offer. Okay. What do you have to offer, buddy?
Follow me, and I'll give you fun. All it takes is $1.
$1 for fun. No more work. No more school.
No.
Just party and fun for $1.
No.
What do you think? You sure?
Okay. No.
You don't think so?
I'd rather go.
All right. Well, I'm not sure yet. Okay. What do you have?
Follow me, I'll give you friends. Just give me $1.
Friends.
No,
I like friends. You guys like having friends?
But are the friends you have to buy the friends you want to have?
Well, it just costs $1. I can get all these friends, right? All these friends for $1. That's what she says. Should I?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I'm not sure.
The last one.
Okay. What do you have going?
Don't follow me. Follow Jesus.
What? You're telling me?
Yes.
You're telling me that not to follow you, but follow Jesus, and you're not offering me anything like promises? Well, see, he offered me happiness, and she offered me money, and riches, and party and fun times.
Money can't buy anything.
You mean it's bigger than money, bigger than this $1. Following Jesus is bigger than this $1. Well, what do you think I should do, kids? Should I follow
Jesus.
Follow Jesus?
Follow Jesus.
You know,
I think Daniel's got the right idea. I think you should follow Jesus and put that $1 in BGMC.
no, he may be right.
Put the
But I'm a little suspicious about people who want me to follow them and give them my money, and they promise me all this stuff that they may not be able to fulfill, right? The Apostle Paul says, we do not preach ourselves but Jesus Christ as Lord. 2 Corinthians 4:5. Paul wasn't after riches or power for himself. He just wanted people to follow the right path. So he pointed them in the right direction to Jesus. So be careful who you choose to follow, because they may give you some promises and they look good, but it may not be right what they say, right?
It might not be the right thing.
Jesus gives us happiness and peace for eternity, right? Those blues are going to eventually fade, and the party and the fun is going to eventually not be fun, right?
Yeah.
So Jesus gives us peace and prosperity and love